One of my favorite movies is Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. So I was very excited when my family visited Hershey, Pennsylvania. At last, I got a chance to see a real chocolate factory. Yum! Later, I wondered why America's first factories were built in the Northeast. I think there were two main reasons. One reason was water power. The first factories were built alongside rivers. The rivers rushed down out of the mountains. This rushing water turned big water wheels that made the machines in the factories run. A second reason was people power. The Northeast was a good place for people who wanted to start businesses. Candy maker Milton Hershey was one of these people, and there were many people to work in these businesses. More than 100 years ago, Hershey started a candy business here in Pennsylvania. He used a system called mass production in his factory. Mass production is a way of making very large quantities of the same product. The Hershey bar was America's first mass-produced candy bar. Today, Hershey's factory is the largest chocolate factory in the world. We'll stop here to learn more about mass production. Enjoy your visit, and try not to eat too much chocolate.